Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Let us look at this circle theorem. Let's look at this circle theorem and try to be able to solve it. Now they say that the diagram POR is a diameter. That means this line is a straight line that passes through the center of the circle. Then is the diameter of the circle center O. This is the center of the circle. Then RQ is parallel to SO. So whenever you see this double slash lines, it means parallel. So RQ is parallel to SO. Then and angle RPQ is 58. Then calculate angle ROS, that is ROS. That means this angle. And then RPS, then this angle. So there are two angles they say we should find here. All we need to do is just apply the simple principles or the simple theorems of a circle. The first thing I'm going to do is apply this principle of diameter. Whenever a line passes through the center of the circle, or whenever there is a circle, then the angle at the circumference must be 90 degrees. So this angle here must be 90 degrees. Therefore, I'm going to say RQP is 90 degrees. So I have stated that. So for doing that, then I'm going to find this angle. That is, if it's necessary. Yes, I'm going to find this angle here, because if you look at this shape now, this place is 58 and this is 90. You now know that I can find this angle, which is, this is Q, P, and R. So I'm going to have that. Then I'm going to say QRP plus 58 plus 90 degrees is equal to 180. So you have to write the reason for this, and this is going to be sum of angles in a triangle. That is talking about angle QRP, this angle. So if we do that, I'm going to have that QRP is equal to 180 minus 58 minus 90. So QRP is equal to 32 degrees. So if this place is 32 degrees, then remember this principle of plane geometry. If you look at this plane geometry very well, you realize that there is a Z alternate angle. If this place is 32, then this place is going to be 32. All right? So for that reason, I'm going to answer ROS. Therefore, I'm going to say that for the first question, which I'm going to answer, ROS is equal to 32 degrees. No, I'm not going to say that. And is equal to angle QRP, and that is what? 32 degrees. You have to write the reason, and that is what? Alternate angles. Okay, so I am done with the first one. I'm going to find RPS. Where is RPS? This place. All right, how do I find here? It's very simple. RPS. There are many ways I can do it. I can say, because this is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circumference. 2 times angle at the circumference will give me the angle at the center, or half of angle at the center can give me angle at the circumference. But then how I can find this is simple. I can find this place by saying that, remember this place in triangle SOP, right? In this triangle SOP, which is this one now, then this place now is angle on the straight line is going to be 148, because 180 minus 32 is going to be 148. So this is 148. Now, from here to here is radius. From here to here is also another radius. Therefore, this triangle has formed an isosceles triangle. And it has formed an isosceles triangle. And whenever you have an isosceles triangle, you can say that the base angles are the same. I can call this theta, I can call this theta. Therefore, I'm going to say that 180 minus 148 divided by 2 is going to be theta. And that is going to be, the theta is going to be 16 degrees. Yes, because this place now, which I call theta, is going to be 16 degrees. And so this is going to be 16. Therefore, RPS is going to be 16 degrees. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this, like, and subscribe.